Understanding structures. We have already talked about arrays. The arrays can hold only similar elements. The C language provides an alternate feature for arrays called structure. Let's discuss this in detail. For your better understanding, here is the sample image. A structure is a collection of various types of data. Arrays can have multiple data with the same type. Each one is identified by its index, where, similar to structures, we have to represent members of structure by using the structure variable. Struct is a key word, which is used to declare the new structure. If you want to define a structure, you must follow this syntax. Here, struct is a key word which defines the new structure. Following the key word, we should provide a name for the structure. Inside the structure, we have to declare the members which are going to use this in the future. Once a structure is defined, we can create an alias name or structure variable to access the members of the structure. We can define the variables of the structure in two different ways. In the place of structure, members are being used. For example, struct book B1, B2. At the end of the structure, after closing curly brace, see this for an example. Here, B1, B2 are the structure variables, which are also called alias names. Accessing structure members is easy. To do that, look at this syntax. Here you need to specify the structure name and put a dot operator and then the member name. Here's an example. B1 dot author name. B1 dot price. B1 is an alias name of the structure, and author name or price are the members of the structure. Let's take a look at the sample program. In the above program, we defined a structure called EMP, which contains employee ID, employee name. Inside the main function, we used an alias name called E. Here we input the members and print them with the help of the structure variable. To see the result, compile the code using Alt F9. When the compilation is finished, click OK, and then run the code using Control F9. In the output window, we have to input employee ID and employee name. When you are done, press the Enter key, and here is the result. Here's a tip. A structure can also be nested. Now you have a clear picture about structures. We'll see more about structures in upcoming lessons.